How to turn on or turn off Keyboard Auto Punctuation on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on General. After that, go down, then tap on Keyboard, and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Enable Dictation. Make sure Enable Dictation is turned on. After that, you can go down and tap on Auto Punctuation. And that's it. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Auto Punctuation. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.